Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video, but yeah, I was caught up between the works and जो भी like life में चल रहा था, some personal things and अपनी agency में थोड़ा सा और involved हो गया था. So that's why like थोड़ा YouTube stayed behind, right? But now like I'm all in on it and every week video आएगी and मैं आपसे like daily I will start my journaling as well like on the track, right? And happy new year's as well क्योंकि अब थोड़ा सा ये वीडियो लेट हो चुका है बट कोई बात नहीं. बट या लाइक होप यू guys like accomplished your first 10 days of your year and hoping it will be a great year for all of us. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले कि how you guys can accomplish your yearly goals of 2025 and भूल जाओ अब 2024 कैसे भी गया हो, like great year अगर गया हो आपका तो बहुत बढ़िया, congratulations. But if you lag behind a little bit, so don't stress over it and जस्ट अपने गलतियों को लाइक नोट इट डाउन एंड देन इस चीज में और हम डिटेल्स में बात करेंगे कि कैसे हाउ यू विल डू इट, बट जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर 2025. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस 5 मेथड्स लाइक जापानीज एंशिएंट मेथड्स हाउ यू कैन अकम्प्लिश योर गोल्स एंड ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई विल बी पर्सनली यूजिंग दीज मेथड्स टू अकम्प्लिश एंड राइट डाउन like everything like I try to when I try to achieve my goals, right? And I will like 100% recommend it to you guys to do it with me as well and let's make this year our greatest year of our life. Like it's all a game, right? अगर आप ये एक न्यू चैप्टर है हमारे लाइफ का and this is a new level and you need to keep your head down and start leveling up every single day, right? Start collecting coins, like start collecting XPs from here and there, like start with small, right? And then go big. So let's discuss the first method. It's a book as well, like Ikigai. It's like basically your purpose, right? You need to clear your purpose, like what you want to actually do in your life, right? So that is really important. And also when you find your purpose, it will be clear like what you want to do and which thing will help you make more money in future and in your current life, right? So basically a Japanese concept that means reason for being. Basically find your purpose and this is like what do you love, like किस चीज़ से या मैंने कितने पहले वीडियोस में मैं बता चुका हूँ कि just find like कौन सी चीज़ आपको करने में इंटरेस्ट आता है, राइट? कौन सी चीज़ आपको करने में अच्छा लगता है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज फाइंड आउट द थिंग दैट यू लव डूइंग द मोस्ट एंड देन फाइंड आउट कि आप उसमें अच्छे हो कि नहीं. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट आप उसको स्पेशलाइज कर सकते हो या नहीं. देन व्हाट एक्चुअली द वर्ल्ड नीड्स, राइट? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू फाइंड योर लाइक व्हाट यू आर एक्चुअली लविंग एंड व्हाट यू आर गुड एट, देन यू नीड टू फाइंड कि ये एक्चुअली में एक वर्ल्ड को, हमारे इस अर्थ को एक्चुअली बेनिफिट करेगा कि नहीं. एंड इफ दे एक्चुअली नीड इट, लाइक कोई भी आपको फालतू काम करने में आपको अच्छा लगता है, सो दैट विल नॉट वर्क, राइट? यू नीड टू फाइंड दैट स्वीट स्पॉट. लास्ट में आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि क्या मैं किस तरीके से इसमें मैं पैसे इनकम कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि यू कैन मोनेटाइज एनीथिंग, राइट? एनीथिंग, लाइक आई एम लाइक अंडरलाइंग इट, वॉट एवर यू डू, लाइक इफ यू लव एंड यू आर गुड एट इट, यू कैन मोनेटाइज इट, राइट? क्योंकि आजकल इतने सारे स्टार्टअप्स हैं, यू कैन सी लाइक सो मेनी थिंग्स गोइंग इन around the world. So I'm damn sure like whatever you love, whatever you're expert at, you can monetize it and make your money like somehow, right? So that's the thing. Set your yearly goals and write it down, like what you love, what you're expert at, and what the world needs, and if you can actually make money with it, right? So that's the first step, right? Then the second is kintsugi, and it's basically like what I've told you before, that is like embracing your imperfections. Same thing, like whatever you did in 2024, if it was a great year or if it was a bad year, just forget it, right? It is a new chapter of your life and make it bright, right? Make it your best year of your life. ये मत भूलना कि whatever you did wrong in 2024, just don't ignore it. Write it down, like what went wrong and how you can improve it in 2025. So that's what is Kintsugi is all about, ki embracing your imperfections. So the first is like review your last year. What were your last year goals? Write it down, like what you actually achieved and what you did not, and then why you did not achieve it. This is all about like instead of hiding your imperfections, just try to improve it by learning from them. And the third one is osuji, that is cleaning your surroundings. A traditional Japanese ritual of deep cleaning your home and workspace at the end of the year to welcome good fortune and new beginnings. So it is basically clean your surroundings, right? And clean your clutter, and also at your like physical workspace and also your digital workspace. Right? By physical workspace, like what I mean, clean your surroundings, right? Keep your room clean, keep your desk clean, and like whenever you sit at work, like abhi main baitha hu, right? This year what I did, I cleaned my room and whatever unnecessary things were at my desk, like I removed it. This is a actually good thing to do, like as your physical space. Like जितना आप अपने कमरे को, जितना आप अपने desk को clean रखोगे, वो उतना ज़्यादा आपको काम करने का मन करेगा. You will try to improve and actually have a clear headspace, because जितना आपके आसपास कचरा भरा रहेगा, आपका दिमाग घूमता रहेगा, right? You won't be able to focus on your work. So this is so important कि आप अपने desk को clear रखो, keep as normal as possible and keep as minimal things as you can. This is so important. And now, what is digital space? Digital space, like whatever you work at, for example, your MacBook, your smartphone, or your tablet, like anything, just keep minimum apps as you can. Let's just your working apps, right? And remove all of your distractions app, for example, all the social media. Just use it on your laptop, right? We're so much like used to use our phone, that is like our brain is used to like watching reels on them, right? आपने देखा होगा, like whenever you pick up your phone and open, like you can just your fingers go like automatically just click on Instagram and just click on Reels tab, right? And just you start scrolling. Give your brain a pattern interruption. Just if you want to really engage with your friends and family, just use it on your laptop, right? It is a bigger screen. The website is not very familiar. It won't be very soothing to use social media apps on your laptop. Like try it, guys. So this is what it is all about. Like clean your physical workspace and also clean your digital workspace as well. The fourth point is Han Se Yi. So that is self-reflection. कुछ भी करो दुनिया में, and if you're not reflecting and introspecting your daily lives, like what you are doing every day and what thing you are doing great, and also your negative points, you are doing it all wrong, right? Because you need to hold yourself accountable, and that is the fourth point is all about self-reflection. Do daily introspection, and मैं ये कैसे करता हूँ, which is like daily documenting, journaling your life. At the end of the day, I sit down, right? Take around 15 minutes to write down like what I did, how my day went, like what exactly things I did, right? And what went good, what went right? And every day you will like write it down, and also it will also keep you accountable, and it will actually feed your mind कि अगर मैंने ये गलती आज करी है, I won't do it tomorrow. And also it is a fun thing to do, because मेरा mindset थोड़ा अलग है, because whenever I write it down and I journal, it is normally मैं accountable की वजह से इसको नहीं लिखता, but rather than my objective and my goal is to like after like few years I want to like open all my journal, right, and read it and just relive my days. Obviously I can't vlog daily, right? I'm at work, like mostly I'm in my home, right? So nothing like interesting going in around my life, but yeah, like I'm daily mostly in my house, in my home, right? Like working continuously. So I can't vlog, right? And watch my videos, but obviously it is my goal in the future, but not right now. So in my growing days, I journal daily to just relive the life in the future, right? So this is my goal basically. आपका कुछ भी like goal हो सकता है, but yeah, it is important to self-reflect and also introspect your daily lives. And the fifth and the last point is Kaizen, and which is like continuous improvement. This is so important because so many people ignore it. And अगर मैं कहूँ कि अगर आप बिल्कुल भी like daily बिल्कुल भी grow नहीं कर रहे, right? You are at the same spot, like daily watching reels, right? And then doing some work which is not very productive. You're just sitting at your desk, just looking at other videos, your mind saying it like it is productive, but it's not actually making you money. So even if you improve 1% every day, like just little things, you will actually be improved like 100% at the 100 days mark, right? So it is so important कि आप small steps लो daily के, just do something new, do something different, do something like unique every day to actually improve. Read daily, which you can do. Write down daily, right? Improve your writing, improve your sales, read something and learn something daily, which will actually help you improve your life 1% like every day. Keep it minimum at 1% and then grow it from there. This is so important. And also just so all of these things keep in mind, and you can just take a screenshot and write it, like remember it daily, right? And now I'm promising you guys, every week there will be a video, and I will be documenting like everything, like what's been going around in my life and also what's going in my like actual agency, right? So you guys can copy me, right, and actually start your agency and actually start making money. It will be not be any other YouTube channel or like any other like whatever like tutorial you guys watching on YouTube like for actually making money. It will be different this year, and I will be trying to do like everything unique and try to give as much value and like strategies which you can actually apply in your life to make money. So let's crush this 2025 guys and actually make this our great chapter of our life. See you in the next one. Bye bye, have a great one.